Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an extended trend line on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. First of all, you have to add a normal trend line, okay? So click here on any place on your chart and click on this icon. Now click on trend line, this one. If you can't see it here, click on plus and choose it from here, okay? It's the same thing. Now let's add, for example, a trend line from here to here. Okay, this is a normal trend line. Now to make it extended, all you have to do is click on it 2 times like this until you see this pin, or you can click on any place, click on this icon and click on your trend line. Now we have here ray right, so this will extend the trend line to the right, okay, above. And we have here ray left, it will extend it down, okay? So you can choose them both if you want, or you can choose one of them, okay? So I will choose just this one. Click on done. Let's go back. And as you can see, our trend line has been extended, okay? This one, this is our trend line, as you can see. Now, if you add another one, it will be extended automatically. Let's add another one. For example, this, as you can see, like this. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.